And crooked dentistry, those supposed to provide kids with healthy smiles paying up for doing anything but.
From WTVG Toledo, this is 13 ABC Action News with Diane Larson and Lee Conklin.
Thank you. Well, going to the dentist isn't going to make anyone's top 10 list of things to do, and for kids it can be especially difficult. About 10 years ago, hundreds of children went to what was called Small Smiles Dental Clinic in Toledo. Turned out they received procedures they never needed. FBI started investigating, and Small Smiles, one of the largest dental clinics for low-income families in the country, went bankrupt for committing Medicaid fraud. Now, a local law office settling 4 victims with the corporation's insurance company. Our Brigette Burnett has the story you'll only see right here on Action News. Bridget.
That's right, Lee. Kids, one as young as 1.5 years old, lived a real-life nightmare. Parents and guardians took their children to the dentist to realize afterwards something went terribly wrong.
When they brought him out, you know, he wasn't crying. He was literally knocked out. He was lifeless. There was nothing to him. He had blood on both of his cheeks.
At the young age of 19, about a decade ago, Davies says her motherly instincts kicked in. Why was blood on her son's cheek from a simple dental checkup?
I didn't understand. I was young. I had no idea what was going on.
While she was in the waiting room at Small Smiles Dental Clinic, her toddler Sebastian Davies was strapped down, getting picked on, poked on, and drilled on.
Being on the dentist bed and then having maybe 5 or 6 doctors around me trying to strap me down, hold me down, and just me trying to get away.
They took me inside the room. They told me to lay back. They went somewhere at first. They came back and they put straps around my arm and my stomach.
Similar story. Sebastian, 1.5, Jontae Pryor, 4 years old. Both only came to the Toledo clinic for a cleaning, but left with much more.
And so to increase revenue, they decided to perform more procedures and perform those procedures more quickly.
Attorney Wes Merillat says once the kids were strapped down, dentists performed as many procedures as they could in one sitting. It was ruled widespread corporate child abuse for profit. 6 years ago, Charles E. Boyk Law Offices targeted the corporation and its management company.
There's a zero tolerance for the exploitation of children for profit. And it's something that we don't tolerate, and it's something that we adamantly will pursue.
Those in the chair, kids of low-income families.
They crowned 4 of his teeth. I didn't sign paperwork.
He wouldn't sleep, he wouldn't eat. And when I called them the next day, they told me, oh, it's gonna be all right.
They trusted the professionals, but say they were taken advantage of. What was supposed to be a simple dental appointment has left more than 1,000 families in our region with horrific memories.
For me now, my top 4 teeth, sometimes they just start hurting.
It's an image that's burned into my soul. There's no getting rid of it. It's haunting.
I never really liked the dentist, even before that, when I was 4. I never really liked the dentist.
So now you really don't like them.
Mm-hmm.
The attorney says the Toledo office was one of the worst clinics in the country. 6 years later, the insurance companies paid up. $43 million will go to 3,000 families. Locally, there were more than 1,000 families affected. Reporting live, Brigette Burnett, 13 ABC Action News.
All right, Bridget, thank you.